the Mokee OS. This is a new user interface, maybe, and this is a new custom ROM for our HTC Desire HD. And I love it because I haven't seen already a user interface like that and a custom ROM like that, and it's cool that to know that our HTC Desire HD is still seen by new devs every month or soon. Okay, so you have seen this is a new unlock style and I like it. It changed. You can go to unlock messages, call, or camera shot, for example. So I have unlocked it. Very fine. We dock different apps, notification bar there. With switch here, we have a shortcut for different things there. For example, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, flight mode, mobile data, and others. And brightness, you can change brightness just by tap, and it's cool because it's smooth and fast. You have to go to drawer there, and we have maybe seen it's fast too. And we have here an icon to say where we are on different drawer, and the dock is still there on the drawer. So this is cool. This is different as when you have HTC Sense. This is not an infinite scroll, and we have to know and to see on controls if it works. We have the camera, and this is not the camera as on the HTC Desire HD or with Sense. You can take picture, sure. You can't do a focus by tapping there, but you can zoom by double tap. When you press, take pictures. You can also scan there an icon, and you can scan something with that. I will try later, and it must work, but I have no internet connection, so let's just know it works. You have different options as capture mode, immediate, timer, over, exposure, picture size. We have an 8 megapixel. To VGA, there is picture quality, color effect, and other things as ISO, metering. There is a lot of settings that you can change: contrast, saturation, sharpness. You can store the location or not. You can also change the white balance. You can use the flash mode and the zoom from 1, 2, and something like that. You can also switch to camera mode, and you have to change different color effect, saturation, white balance, and you can record in HD. HD is 30 meters, and you have to change it if you want. Okay, so this is something cool. Camera is working. You have also the Play Store and the maps installed, and there is a lot of application for 16, 32, 32, 38 application already installed, and this is cool apps as the gallery, Gmail, browser, the camera, the calendar, Play Store, YouTube, and we see there is no too much apps as Facebook is not there. Okay, and there is no Twitter, and this is cool because it's what you want to have. You can add different contacts, and this is something new. So let's go to the Smart Dialer. We have a dialer there. The call log, the contacts. You can create a new contact, and we have to try it. First name, we'll do Flo. Then we will do Wolf, for example, and use a phone number 0600000000, an email flow.wolf.1@gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com. Okay, this is not so accurate, but I have to try again. Flow wolf. Okay, it could be maybe a little more accurate, but if you take care, it works, you see. Okay, so there, Gmail, postal address, organization, done, and you have your contact there. You can just call it. Okay, you can go to the page and see what it is. So this is cool and I like it. You can go to favorite and you can slide by this way. So here is contact, here is smart jar. You also have messages. Send, you can go to add contact there and press, and you can select different people and you can type your message. Hello. So you have already some word prepared for you, and you can, hello. I will try to say something HEU, and I want to press HEW. Okay, so there is maybe something to do with the keyboard, but it works. Okay, so try to send, but I have no connection. Okay, it is over. You also have in internet, and there this is something different. You have to enter your address there, you have to add on favorite, and you have the bookmarks there, the most visited, and the history there. Now let's go to add. On add you can add launcher actions, open or close app drawer. This is the drawer. You can just remove it, edit it, like that, edit. You can pick your activity, open or close, change what you want to do, the name, and you can change the icon, or you can just, okay, excuse me, you can just remove it like that. Let's go to try shortcuts, custom shortcut, widgets, wallpaper, folders, and wallpapers. What are different wallpapers? Oh, I want Mokee wallpapers. So let's go to see Mokee wallpapers. Wow, this is just so cute. There is a lot of wallpaper. You have seen that. Flowers, girls, or landscapes. And this is just amazing. I will try to use set wallpaper. Okay, it's just beautiful and I like it. You can edit different screen and add on the right side or left side and remove by this key. Okay, you can go to others and change and switch by this button different screen there with this and this button. Okay, you can remove also. You can also go to manage applications, and there is downloaded, all, SD card, and running. There is settings. On settings you have all your system, your phone settings classed there, your system settings here, and your personal settings, input, privacy, switches, MKey launcher. On MKey launcher you have to wallpaper scrolling to change it, to hide icon labels or not, auto switch the widgets, to change the number of columns to 8 from 3 to 8, the number of rows from 3 to 8 too. Okay, you have desktop transition, there is 5 different transition, screen loop if you want or no. You have general behavior, double tap action, there, open close or other things, the main dock style, 5 icon, but you can also change by 3 or 1 or 4, and you can restart it. You have the theme chooser, and you can change different theme as Mokee Sense, but you can have also the Motorola, the Sony Ericsson, the Xperia, and the Nexus. Okay, I will just try it. You have status bar settings, and you can change the power widget option, go to sleep, media, toggle, and you can activate or no this one. And this is what you have to see on switch here. Okay, battery status style, you have the icon, the percentage there, or you can hide it. You have different toggles, and you can change the emplacement like that. It works very well. We can go also to theme to ad block to block the ads. You have the accessibility there, the profiles, because you can change profiles as on CyanogenMod, on home, work, default, silent, and your profile. I am discovering this custom ROM, and I fall in love with this one because this is just amazing what you can do with that. So settings is do, and you have MKey launcher. I have already seen that. Okay, main dock style. Okay, and no, I don't want to do that. Okay, and you have more. On more you have search, wallpaper, and lock VDesktop. So let's go to settings, and there we have to try theme chooser. Here, I will just show you different theme just to discover it. Okay, sorry for my phone. There we have, wow, the HTC Sense. So icons have been changed for HTC Sense, and when we go to settings, we have HTC Sense different settings. I have to try theme chooser and go from Moto Blur. This ROM is very amazing. Wow, this is just something so cool. Okay, force close. Okay, status bar has been closed. There is no mistakes. Okay, we will try to do that just after. Theme chooser, it's back. Sony Ericsson Motorola. Sony Ericsson Mokee, excuse me. Wow, this is just something cool. I am in love with that. You have seen the different icons there. You have maybe seen that you have different things on different places as messages, pupil, and this is just amazing. So let's go to try others as theme chooser and the Xperia. We have the Xperia here, and you have the settings. We have there as the Xperia, the previous Xperia. Okay, excuse me, and we have the last one, the iNexus. Let's go to try it. Okay, so I haven't shown you everything possible there. You have to discover a lot of things because this video is already long, but you have maybe seen that this is cool. You can change a lot of things, and this custom ROM is, wow, just amazing. You have seen the transition effect I have changed before, and this is just amazing. So thanks to have seen this video. I think you will try this custom ROM because I love this one. So thanks to have seen this video, and see you soon.